Hello, Wildcats. Welcome to the Algebra 2 Syllabus Introduction video. Okay, my name is Gregory Luke and I'll be your Algebra 2 teacher. I'd like to welcome you to Algebra 2. I'm looking forward to a great year getting to know you and have you as my student. Okay. Course description, if you like, you can read that. This basically just goes over the units that we're going to be covering this year. Supplies. Okay, I wrote 1.5 inch 3-ring binder, but really all you need is a 3-ring binder, so it doesn't matter your size. Okay. Obviously, notebook and paper is important. Also, make sure you have graph paper. We're going to do a lot on graph paper this year. Okay. Now, we're not going to be using the TI Inspire calculator this year. We're going to be using the TI 84. Okay. Also, Desmos.com. You have to erase this. If I don't, it just keeps going along the page and it just, so let's move on. All right. Textbook, we're going to be using the online textbook, which can be accessed at this website right here, my.hrw.com. That's why I need to erase it. If I don't, it just keeps falling with the page and it's kind of weird and silly. All right. Chromebooks. You're obviously expected to come to class with your Chromebook charged. Grading policy, tests are worth 30%, daily assignments are 60%, and journals 10%. Okay. Late assignment students who fail to turn in an assignment on the due date may still turn it in with a reduction in points. Highest grade a student may receive is a 70. It must be turned in prior to the date of the unit test. Okay. Test. There will be a common assessment given at the end of each unit. There will normally be 2 assessments per grading period. Students are required to take the test on the scheduled date. Redo retest. Students will be given a chance to retake a test if their grade is below 70. The makeup test grade will be averaged with the original test grade for a higher grade. The student is not guaranteed a 70% average if the overall average of both tests is not greater than or equal to 70. Semester exam policy, I'll let you go ahead and read that on the THS student handbook on pages 23 through 25. Academic integrity. Academic dishonesty includes cheating or copying the work of another student, plagiarism, and unauthorized communication between students during tests, quizzes, and other works as assigned. Students are expected to do their own work. Any violation could result in a failing grade on the assignment. Skyward Family Access, you can kind of go ahead and read that, but the key is if you don't have Skyward Family Access, you can contact Temple High School at 215-7000 for assistance to get that. Electronic device policy. With the exception of school-issued Chromebook, electronic devices are not permitted. Electronic devices defined as any device with an on or off switch. Students are subject to disciplinary actions if classroom expectations are not followed. Right here, it says upon entering the classrooms, are required to turn off the electronic device. You can keep it on. You just might put it on silent, and you don't need to place it in a cell phone station. Just put it in your backpack or purse. Or whatever bag you have, okay? Or pocket, whatever is you have, okay? All right. Classroom expectations and behavior responsibilities. You're responsible for your own work and education. Respect yourself and others by staying on task and avoiding disruptive behaviors, including electronic distractions. Come to class prepared with your binder, your Chromebook, paper, pencils, and complete assignment. Refer to Skyward and Schoology regularly. Passes. Due to the COVID safety measures, passes to leave class are limited, prohibited, unless the student has a restroom pass issued by the school nurse for a documented medical condition. And the reason for this is the custodians will be cleaning the bathrooms during the passing periods. And so in order to ensure a clean bathroom during the day, throughout the entire day, that's why the no pass policy, okay? And if you have any questions about that, feel free to please contact the Temple ISD school administrators. They'll be more than happy to explain the reasoning behind the no passes. Okay, behavior management plan. In order to maintain the integrity of the learning environment, the following procedures will be followed when students fail to follow the classroom expectations and respect agreement. First, events. Warning behavior agreement between student and teacher. Second, parent contact modification behavior agreement. Third is going to result in a referral to the campus assistant principal. Severe clause. In the event the offense is not A minor classroom violation, an immediate referral is written and the student is sent to the assistant principal. Tardy policy. Students are considered tardy if they are not in the classroom when the tardy bell has finished. All students will be swept to an office for a tardy pass to class and document the tardy. Students will not be allowed into class without the tardy pass. Now, even if you're not a remote learner, we could at any time go to total remote learning.
Pardon the interruption. Will all APs please come to the conference room? Again, will all APs please come to the conference room? Thank you.
Okay, so if you're an AP watching this video, please, if you go to the conference room, okay? The rest of you, let's continue with the syllabus. All right, remote learners, asynchronous, synchronous schedule, and expectations. Face-to-face, meet, virtual tutoring. All remote learners are required to meet with their teacher through a virtual meeting each Monday from 9:16 to 10:05 a.m. for 20 minutes as determined by your teacher. Okay, so this applies for my class from 9:16 to 10:05, okay? I think your other classes might have different times, okay? Virtual tutorials for remote learners will be every Thursday as determined by the teacher. If there is a technical issue, personal conflict with this requirement on any Monday, you are required to send a message via email through Schoology as soon as possible. Set an appointment on Thursday or another day during that week to make up your 20 minutes. Attendance. Remote learners are expected to complete a daily check-in through Schoology, which satisfies the district attendance requirements for the course. Okay. Academic expectation. In addition to the Schoology daily check-in, students will need to complete daily teacher assignments within Schoology. Assignments may include discussion boards, online textbook assignments, quizzes, video lessons, and tests. All instructions for assignments, as well as any needed outside links, will be provided with the Schoology platform. All online assignments will be subject to the same grading policy as in-class students. Communication. The teacher will respond to the parent-student communication within 24 hours. Students with any questions or concerns should send their teacher a message through Schoology. I look forward to working with you and your child throughout the school year. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me via email at gregory.luke@tisd.org or call me at 254-215-7097. Okay. Now, before I end the video, let me go back to this attendance for remote learners, this daily check-in. Now, let me go to, let's scroll up here. Let me go to second courses. I'm just going to click on first period Algebra 1. It's the same as third period and eighth period Algebra 2. I'm sorry, I just said Algebra 2. All right, now, once you access the Schoology code, okay, then you'll be able to see this. And let me go ahead and get that Schoology code for you. So I'm going to click on first week of school. Okay, and so here are the codes for first period, third period, and eighth period. And if you're watching this video, you're either in first period, third period, or eighth period. So after this video, if you could go to Schoology and join the class, you'll have access to Schoology, and you'll see that I have everything dated. So you can see here, Monday, there's no school Tuesday. Here is the link to the YouTube channel, and so on. So let me go back here. And you can see your first week, you'll click on this link, but then after that, you'll click on Unit 1. And then I have everything dated, and I have the steps of what you need to complete each day. Okay? All right. So with that, that should get you set up for the start of the year. So have a wonderful Wildcat day and year.